Look at this one. It's a new one again from Costco. Dashboard camera 360. 1080 HD recording. It has a this one. Remember this, the Type S. It back up. It doesn't have a monitor. This one, it has a monitor now for 160. Look at that. And let's check. Uh, 360, 1080 HD recording. VR mode. Then you can share your rides. Can you see it, guys? Screen resolution is 2.4 inches IPS, 1080 Full HD, 2.4 gigahertz. Huh, this is nice. Look at that. Look. Seamless loop recording. Night vision. GPS location. Oh wow. From front to rear. And then the sides. Look at that. Normal is 360. You can have it on 180. Fish eye. VR. Wow. Oh, you can have it like that. I don't know. Wow, this is nice. That's cool. So that's another review, or I don't know if we can call it review, but anyways, that's available at Costco by Type S 360 dashboard camera right there. Okie doke.